Good to see you. Excellency. Now, no, he's one of everybody book. Everyone sit. Starter, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. No, Fred, follow.
There's a round of applause for His Excellency.
Rivers International Marathon 2024.
Come on.
National Marathon 2024. Let's give him a round of applause.
This guy got chop it. Yeah, he got chop it. This guy, he chop it.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, to serve Nigeria with all my strength. Deputy Governor of River State, Victor Okojumbo. Former Deputy National Assembly present, including Honorable Tawi Wenike Danagogo, Distinguished Service Staff, House, the Right Honorable Edison Ehie, Council. His Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, National Marathon 2000 Marathon is power on. And earlier this morning, the wife of the governor flagged over. The runners have gone to Christopher Green to present a
the executive governor, the
organizers of the Rivers International Marathon 2024 and other guests that are here to witness and support this event. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me first of all thank the Almighty God for making it possible for us to successfully host this event without any problem. When we started the planning, we had a lot of issues, but somehow along the way, we finally agreed and resolved all the bottlenecks, challenges, more especially finances to host this event. But I can say on our part as a government and also hosting an event that has never taken place in Rivers State, we were a bit afar and apart from the organizers, because what they were saying was like, if I could liken it to anything, the cost could even help me renovate a school. So why should I spend the money for just marathon? But they convinced us that this exercise or event will open the doors economically to and for Rivers State. And for that reason, we gave them all the support that was needed for it to be a success. And I can say to the glory of God that I'm happy that we are here today witnessing it live and direct. Let me also say that we might not have gotten it very, very right in this first one, because it is the first. I strongly believe that when we are going to host the second one, most of our mistakes, most of the areas we did not consider, we will consider it and make the second event a more glamorous one. And I think it will be better than this. For us as a government, we know the importance of sports. We know that sports and youth development, they go by the plateau. For that reason, we are not going to joke in the aspect of youth development. We are not going to joke in the aspect of sports development. I was happy when the commissioner was listing trophy that the state government had won, either in the side of the women or in the side of the men. It shows that that is something we are doing right in the sports department. So I want to commend the commissioner. Continue to do what you know how to do best. We didn't bring you here for nothing. We know that you're a man that has made his name in the sports industry. Continue to make us proud. For the athletes, I'm really happy that, although I would have been more happier if the elite for the men and the elite for the women had been somebody from Rivers, so that the money will be in this state. But now, you carry my money to Plateau. But it's still okay. We're happy and congratulate you for winning. The government will support you with the sum of 5 billion naira for the first. That is our own addition for the men elite and also the female elite, 5 million naira. As for the second position to the 20th, you've done your best. Maybe next time you might win the Star Trophy. But we also encourage you so that next time you will increase your speed. Your speed. So from the second position to the 20th position, we will give you a support or complimentary award of 1 million naira. Why are we doing this? We want to encourage more people. We want to encourage our own people in particular, so that next time when you hear that Rivers International Marathon 2025 is about to happen, in fact, the number of people who jog in the morning will triple. so that this money will be in our states. But in all, let me thank every one of you that has helped us to make this event a success. Continue to support us. We believe strongly that with your support, encouragement, we will continue to move our states from where it is today to where we all wish the state to be. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
May we please rise for the national anthem.